Hello everyone. RPF Constable 2025 third shift analysis March 3rd. Who wrote the Blue Umbrella? The Blue Umbrella पुस्तक किसने लिखी? The answer for this question is Ruskin Bond. Which article of the Indian Constitution ensures equal pay for equal work for both men and women? भारतीय संविधान का कौन सा अनुच्छेद पुरुषों और महिलाओं के लिए समान कार्य के लिए समान वेतन सुनिश्चित करता है? The answer for this question is Article 39D. Article 39D of the Constitution of India states that men and women should receive equal pay for equal work. This is a directive principle of the state policy DPSP. When and where the first DAV school established? पहली DAV school कब और कहाँ स्थापित किया गया था? The answer for this question is 1st June 1886 in Lahore. The first DAV school was established in Lahore on June 1st, 1886. Mahatma Ansaraj was the first principal of the school. Who is the managing director MD of the National Housing Bank NHB as of July 30, 2024? 30 जुलाई 2024 नेशनल हाउसिंग बैंक के प्रबंध निदेशक MD कौन है? The answer for this question is संजय शुक्ला. Sanjay Joshi is the managing director of the National Housing Bank NHB. He took charge on July 30, 2024. What was the Reserve Bank of India's repo rate through 2024? 2020 के दौरान भारतीय रिजर्व बैंक के रेपो दर क्या थी? The answer for this question is 6.50%. Who was the guru of the Mirabai? Mirabai के गुरु कौन थे? The answer for this question is Saint Ravidas. संत रविदास थे. Saint Ravidas was the guru of the Mirabai, the poet and devotee of the Bhakti movement. Punjab and Haryana were the most successful states in India's Green Revolution. Punjab is the correct answer. The Green Revolution was a period of agricultural growth that led to the increased food production and economic prosperity. What was the slogan of the 38th National Games of India 2025? 2020 भारत के 38 राष्ट्रीय खेलों का नारा क्या था? The answer for this question is संकल्प से शिखर तक. The slogan for the 38th National Games of India in 2005 Sankalp Shikhar Tak, which translated to from Revolve Zenith. The games were held in Uttarakhand from January 28 to February 14, 2025. Kati Bihu is celebrated in Assam. It's one of the 3 Bihu festivals celebrated in the state. Kati Bihu related to Assam state. Which sector do schools and employment generally fall under which economy? आर्थिक रूप से स्कूल और रोजगार आमतौर पर किस क्षेत्र पे अंतर्गत आता है? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन विच कम्स अंडर टर्शरी सेक्टर, तृतीय का क्षेत्र. द एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ इज इंक्लूडेड इन विच शेड्यूल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लॉ? इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन भारतीय संविधान में दल बदल विरोधी कानून किस अनुसूची में शामिल है? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज 10th शेड्यूल. Kati Bihu is celebrated in Assam, India, primarily to mark the transition period in the agriculture cycle, whereas the farmers are preparing harvest their paddy crops, and is often considered the time prayer and the hope for the bountiful harvest. Assam shares an international border with which 2 countries? Assam किस 2 देशों का साथ अंतरराष्ट्रीय सीमा सजा करता है? The answer for this question is Bhutan and Bangladesh. Which article of the Indian Constitution said no citizen can be discriminated against the employment based on the religion, race, caste, sex and decent place of the birth or residence? भारतीय संविधान का कौन सा अनुच्छेद कहता है कि धर्म, जाति, लिंग, वंश और जन्मस्थल के निवास आधार पर किसी नागरिक के रोजगार के भेदभाव नहीं किया जाएगा? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज आर्टिकल 16(2), अनुच्छेद 16(2). Where is Mundra port located? Mundra port located. Mundra port कहाँ स्थित है? The answer for this question is Gujarat. Mundra port is largest commercial port and located in Gujarat. It is major economic gateway of the northern interland of India. Who is considered as to have the started of the Indian Republic of 1857? 80 भारत के विद्रोह की शुरुआत करने वाले माने जाता है. The answer for this question is Mangal Pandey. Sepai Mangal Pandey is widely considered to have the started up Indian rebellion in 1857 on March 29, 1857. He attacked the British officer and the military garrison in Bagpur. मलबार refers to the coastal region of which two Indian state? मलबार भारत के किन राज्यों के तटीय क्षेत्र में संदर्भित करता है? The answer for this question is Kerala and Karnataka. Thank you for watching. These are the key answers of RPF Constable 2025 examination.